so you know I have the Bronco II project going. I got a lot of comments about the rust. So I just wanted to show you guys the rust on this car and if you think it's damaging or if it's just surface rust. And let's take a look. So you could see the top has a lot of rust. It's always been like that. At one point when I was in high school in about year 2000, I primered it, but you could see the rust is coming back. There's rust in some of the seams here. The other gutters have rust like this. And a lot of the body has rust on the edges, as you can see here. But it is a Southern California car, so it's never been around salt or anything. The inside is like this. And then the door seams don't really have rust on the bottom, except over here. But it's like this, like surface rust like this. So I don't think it's really damaging much, but here's a little bit more look at the rust. Top. And a little bit of off-road damage here when we came down on a rock. But for the most part, it's locked. Again, the edges here. Eventually I want to reseal all the glass. And last but not least, that inner door has a big leak, so if there is rust, it's gonna be, you could see it up in here. So what do you guys think? Rust is the last thing on my list. I'm trying to get the engine going properly. The whole brake system is gonna get redone, and then suspension and all that, but I'm just trying to get it roadworthy and on the road. So leave your thoughts.